I went into my local scratch and dent grocery store and saw that they had put out 9 more of my Whirley drink mugs. Now, last time I was in this store, I purchased 8 of them and have already sold 5. So I was happy to see 9 more. As I proceeded through the store, I saw one of the owners in the back, and I asked her if they had any more of these mugs. She said, yeah, they had plenty. That bag's full, and in each one of these boxes it's got a dozen Whirley drink mugs in it. So 69, a great number, one of my favorites. Just left Walgreens, spent $26. Got 4 of these Nerf guns, 1 of these Nerf guns, 2 decks of cards, and some pins for $26. So that's pretty good. We're gonna go on home now because the truck is full.
I wanted to always play it down. I still like playing it down.
Yes, sir.
Because I don't want to create a panic.